What's going on, Shady? Yeah, no, you can't play. Mummy's playing music. I'm sorry, but you can play later, okay? No, it's Mummy's turn. You can have your turn later on the iPad. It's Mummy's turn right now. Yeah, I know. You can have it later. I love you too. Is it a good boy? No, you can't play on it right now. Mummy's playing music. I know. Are you answering me back already? Are you? Are you headbutting me? Play it later. Play later. Yes. Not right now. Do you not like my music? Do you like it? You do really, don't you? Is he a good boy? Is he? I love you.